Hello everyone. How much time do you spend on your devices every day? Imagine reclaiming your time and transforming your digital habits into a method for productivity and well-being. Today, we'll explore how to craft a balanced tech routine that maximizes benefits while minimizing the negative impacts of technology. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to understand the importance of a balanced tech routine, identify key elements of a balanced tech routine, implement strategies to create and maintain your own balanced tech routine. Let's start by discussing why a balanced tech routine is essential. One, importance of a balanced tech routine. Preventing burnout. A balanced tech routine helps prevent burnout by ensuring you have time to rest and recharge away from screens. Constant exposure to digital devices can lead to physical and mental fatigue. Example, the overworked student. Consider Paul, a student who spends most of his day on his laptop for classes and assignments, and then uses his phone for entertainment. Without breaks, he started feeling constantly tired and stressed. Introducing tech-free breaks into his routine helped him feel more energized and focused. Improving focus and productivity. Balancing your tech usage can enhance focus and productivity. You can maintain high levels of concentration and efficiency in your tasks by managing screen time and incorporating breaks. Story. Joanne, a marketing professional, noticed her productivity declining due to constant interruptions from emails and social media. She improved her focus and completed her tasks more efficiently by scheduling specific times for checking emails and social media. Two key elements of a balanced tech routine. Scheduled tech-free time. Incorporate scheduled tech-free time into your day. This allows you to engage in activities that don't involve screens, such as exercise, reading, painting, or spending time outdoors. Example, the morning routine. Donna decided to start her day with a tech-free morning routine. She spent the first hour of her day exercising and having breakfast without checking her phone. This practice set a positive tone for the rest of her day. Mindful tech use. Practice mindful tech use by being aware of how and why you're using technology. Avoid mindless scrolling and set intentional goals for your tech interactions. Story. Joshua realized he was spending hours mindlessly scrolling through social media. He decided to set a specific purpose for his tech use, like connecting with friends or reading the news, and as a result, he reduced his screen time and felt more fulfilled. Ergonomic workspace setup. Ensure your workspace is ergonomically designed to prevent physical strain. This includes proper chair height, screen distance, and keyboard placement. Example. Carol set up an ergonomic workspace by adjusting her chair and desk height, positioning her screen at eye level, and using an external keyboard. These changes helped her work more comfortably and reduced neck and back pain. Regular breaks. Take regular breaks to rest your eyes and move your body. Follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. Analogy, the Pomodoro technique. The Pomodoro technique, which involves working for a set period followed by a short break, can be applied to tech use. This approach helps maintain focus and prevents fatigue. Assignment, create a recipe for your balanced tech routine, including ingredients, activities, and instructions, time management tips. Design a recipe card and share it as if you were sharing a favorite dish.